What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So I'm with Yami and we decided to go for a little night ride. We just launched out of Dinner Key Marina. Let me show you guys where we're at and what we're planning on doing tonight. This is United States, Florida, and we are all the way right here in Dinner Key Marina. So the plan is to hug the coast and go into the Miami River that's right here. Downtown where all the buildings are all lit up, and I want to go in as far down Miami River as I possibly could, like the old school Miami Vice days. Alright guys, when I tell you I'm taking the safest route, I'm literally taking the safest route. This is Grove Isles right here, and we got land on both sides the whole way. That's Mercy Hospital right in front of us. So you see, you guys have a little visual. We launched from here, and we're literally taking the whole side all the way down to the Miami River, just hugging the coast. This is something you can only do with a small boat like mine, guys. There's Brickell Key right there, guys. Alright, this is the entrance to the Miami River. There's one way in and one way out.
Tanto que yo siempre me conmuevo con tu llanto. Nena, nena, tranquilícese que en la calle.
That monster. Like 80 feet, 100 feet. He's using the bow thrusters to maneuver. I just want the tender that they have on top. I'm just looking at the tender like, damn, that's a nice tender. This is the Miami lifestyle right here, guys. This is where all the yachts come to party. Let's follow these big boys and see where they go, where they're gonna park up at. Alright guys, so we made it past all the party and all the bars and everything. From here forward is gonna be all shipyards and marinas, which I kinda like the vibes at the marinas more than the party vibes for some reason. Brand new building. Or shopping center. It has Ross, Bloomingdale's, TJ Maxx, Publix. It's called Rivers Landing. And then on this side, it has all brand new apartments. Alright guys, so we just got, let me just show you where we're at. Alright, we are deep in the river.
We're here.
In the canal. We're pretty deep. Alright, and this is the only boat ramp. The only boat ramp for the Miami River is here. It's here. It's like 30-minute idle to the actual bay and then you have like another 10-minute idle until you get up on plane. So 40 minutes of idle if you come to the Miami River. All right, it is a nice view the whole way though, so that's the good side. It's not, you're not gonna just see trees. It's gonna be a really nice view. Further up, I have never gone, guys, so I kind of want to go explore a little bit. Here they have some hangar looking things and you can store your boat. We're deep in the Miami River right now, like deep. All right, this is the Miami entrance, the Miami River entrance. We're all the way. We're right there. Yeah, we're all the way right here.
By the casino.
By the Miami Casino Miami, Okeechobee Road. You know, this is Hialeah right here. So I went from Brickell all the way to Hialeah on my boat. I never been this far, so it's kind of cool. It's a nice vibe. Oh, nice and dark on this side though. Alright, this is where I'm gonna turn around, guys. I know it's a dead end over there. It's not even worth it. It's nice and dark. I don't wanna, it ain't worth it. So I'm turning around now and going back. But there is a canal I wanna go explore. There's a canal. Yeah, it's about a mile back, maybe half a mile right here. I wanna go explore this canal a little bit and then we're gonna go back home. Yeah. Dolphin Expressway. Yeah, I want to see if there's any locks or anything. Oh, there's the canal that way. We'll leave it for another day, guys. I'll go explore over there during the day. During the day. Yeah, we'll be back here in the canal, in the river, exploring.
Heard you're buying a car. I bought my calculator.
Dad, I already used capital.
No quiero un novio para rendirle cuenta. No necesitan ningún cabrón le fue infiel. Oh, no, no.
We did make it today's lead though.
Watch this video this far.
Yeah, if you watch this video this far, you're an OG for real. Comment down, I'm an OG. if you watch this video this far, because I don't know. I don't think you guys watch all my videos, to be honest.
Comment what you want to see.
And you guys even see me. You guys see me. You guys can't even see me. All right, you guys should be able to see me now. For real, if you guys are an OG, comment down below. I'm an OG or OG or something like that, just so I know you watched the whole video. But I think I am gonna end it here. We're at La Islita. It's kind of dark. That's Brickell. It's a nice vibe, but it's too dark, guys. I don't want to make this video a 20-30 minute video, so I'm ending here. I'll see you guys in the next one.